I just got the first 300 plus followers on my Instagram page. I've been talking primarily about autism on my Instagram page because I myself have autism, but I also have other things I want to talk about. For example, I want to talk about self development and self improvement, both in regard to autism, but also in general. And then I also want to create travel content in the near future, but it's not going to be within the next couple of months because I'm kind of broke right now. But at some point, I expect you will see that happening. And then I also want to pick up some other things I want to talk about. I don't know what that's going to be yet, but you will see in the future. And that is because I don't want to pick a niche, but I want to become the niche myself, so I don't get stuck at only being able to talk about one thing, but being able to develop this Instagram page with myself. And I'm really glad for all of you that have chosen to follow me so far. And I hope you keep following me and follow my journey in the future.